of your mind. The direction of your mind. See your mind in which direction it is going. This is one of the most important thing. Listen, you want to become an English speaker. You all want to become, okay? You all want to become an English speaker. But my dear, you know this body is a medium, is a presenter. The engine, the source of knowledge is our mind. So one of the important and key points to become an English speaker, to change your mindset, input information, learn lessons in English. It means try to control your mind, because if your mind will learn easy English word, will learn, I am not talking about only studying, only reading. If your mind will learn English word, learn means you are fitting English words, English sentences in your mind. It means you are fitted with English sentence. You are ready to speak. Now, if you have matter in English, so you can speak in English. So change your mindset. And there is a famous quote, famous proverb in our society, and that is, by changing your thoughts, you can change everything. So my dear brothers and sisters, try this to change your thoughts first, then try to change others or try to change your society. My next point is by action. By action. What is action? Action means your activities. You are doing many things daily. You are playing, you are reading, you are playing cricket match, or you are watching television. These are your actions. So watchful about your actions. Your actions will become your habits. So action means, what is your action? You want to become an English speaker, but your action are going in which direction? Action means do many things, but try to learn these things in English. Because the problem is, my dear brothers and sisters, we are the students of UP board, so we have no English speaking society. So we can't excuse this, that we have no English society, then we cannot be an English speaker. We can be an English speaker by changing only our mind. Don't follow what others says. You have to change your life. It means you have to learn, and by learning you can earn also. So by action, you are doing any work, no problem. Try to explain that work. Try to explain that work. Suppose I am playing, and while playing I am picking the ball. So I am translating that word. Okay, Shivam, now you are going to pick the ball. And suppose I am at my house and my mother says to me, go Shivam and fill this basket or bucket with water. If she says about basket, then she will say, go Shivam and fill this bucket with water. Now what will I do? I simply will pick my bucket and then fill it with water. So just doing any actions, because my dear student, action is one thing that can leads you bad habits or good habits. You are doing what? That same thing you are thinking. So try to explain, try to store, and try to convert your actions in English. And the third point in this rebuilding yourself is by observation. By observation. Observation. You know, this may be new word for you, but I am explaining this word in a very easy manner. So what is observation? Observation is simple means to check, to see everything clearly, to learn everything focusedly. It means observation. You might have heard about the Socrates. This is the chapter in 10th class. Socrates was a very good observer. He observed his friends very carefully and allowed very few things to escape from his notice. So every great person, every great speaker, every good student is a great observator. So try to check everything clearly. Don't say, never say this word, chalta hai. Chalta hai word is killing you, my dear friends. जो चीज चल जाती है उस पे हम कभी वर्क नहीं करते. सो डिलीट दिस वर्ड चलता है फ्रॉम योर डिक्शनरी. चलता है इज लाइक अ पॉइजन. चलता है लाइक अ पॉइजन फॉर ऑल माई सोसाइटी मेंबर्स, ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. सो बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन, first thing you will do, become an very good observator. Observator means I am empty bucket, and by observing things, by reading books and by meeting the expert persons, I am observing everything. You know, if you are thirsty, what will you do? You will go very quickly and pick a glass of water and then you observe the water in your stomach. Same thing you have to do in English. Feel hunger in English, go to the teachers, go to the books and quench or satisfied your hunger with English. So by observation. And I want to add one more thing. Observation follows absorption. Absorb. You know, absorb. What is absorb? Absorb means to suck anything completely. Hindi word for this is soak lena. Yes, absorb. First thing you will do, observation, and after observating, next thing you have to do is absorb. Absorb means simple thing. You know, you are attending every class daily, but what are you learning? It means I am explaining in a better manner. You are in English class or in science class. Teacher explained you many things, and at the end of the day, what matter remains in your mind, and that will become your knowledge. Okay, my dear friends. That's why I am saying by reading more, we will not be an intelligent person. By absorbing, we will be an intelligent person. So rebuild yourself daily. There are 3 key points here, and they are by mindset. First of all, change your mindset. In which direction your mind going? If your mind is going in right direction, then you will be a right person. By action, see your actions. Are your work explained in English, or you are doing this? If you want to become a very good person in English, then you have to do this. And the third point is by observation. Observation means to check everything, your every action, your reaction also, and the actions of good people, actions of great teachers, and then absorb in yourself. You know, copy. Many people say, and this is the reality also, that our ancestors were monkeys, and the great quality of the monkeys is imitation. Imitation means copy. Imitation means nakal karna, copy. So use this ability. We are the masters of nakal, masters of imitation. So imitate good things. Imitate the things which can make you smart. Imitate the thing which can make you better English speaker. Now the second point of the day. Give me 1 minute. And the second point of the day is also very cracking point. Cracking means outstanding. Okay. So the second point is speak in which you are feeling good. So speak. The second point of the day is speak in which you are feeling good. You know, after learning many things, after learning English grammars, lots of synonyms, antonyms, now you all are prepared, ready to speak. But you will speak about which topic? Now you need a topic. Okay? Yes, you need a topic. So don't search a topic in outer world. Search topic in your inner world, in your own mind. Why, my dear students? Because if you will seek the topic in your brain, then you know that what is your specialty. Okay, what is your quality? Do work according to your quality. Feel comfortable.